Driving the future. The importance of safety in motor carriers worldwide. Chosen mode is safety transportation. Working in a traffic office in a distribution center, I see many types of drivers come into our office. Often a language barrier makes for concern with the ability of drivers to safely navigate our roadways. From the bustling highways of North America to the remote roads of Africa, motor carriers move the world. Trucks carry goods that keep our societies alive: food, medicine, technology. But behind every journey lies one universal truth: safety drives progress. But who is controlling the aspect of who gets a license to drive one of these big rigs? Many accidents are being caused by unqualified drivers. Drivers who are going behind the scope of the law to get a license that they are not qualified to have. Every year, thousands of accidents involve heavy vehicles. Many are preventable. A single mistake, a distracted driver, poorly maintained brakes, or fatigue, can mean lives lost. Safety isn't just a regulation. It's a responsibility. The DOT regulations are federal guidelines. They must be obeyed for everyone's safety. They cover many aspects including medical exams, checking backgrounds, HOS, hours of service, and many more. Nations across the globe set strict rules to protect drivers and communities. From Europe's tachographs, to the US Department of Transportation inspections, to Asia's growing road safety initiatives, every regulation points to one goal: saving lives. Technology and innovation. Telematics and IoT. Sensors track locations, speed, fuel usage and engine health in real time. Modern trucks are safer than ever before. Advanced driver systems, ADAS, includes lane keeping and adaptive cruise control along with emergency braking. Advanced driver assistance systems, GPS monitoring, electronic logging devices, and real-time diagnostics are revolutionizing motor carrier safety. Technology, paired with human vigilance, reduces risks and saves lives. The human factor. ELDs, electronic logging devices, digitally track hours of service to ensure compliance and safety. At the heart of safety are the people, the drivers. Rest breaks, health checks, and proper training aren't luxuries. They are necessities. Because when drivers are safe, communities are safe. Sustainability. There are alternative fuels like natural gas, biodiesel, hydrogen fuel cells along with EVs. They are making aerodynamic trucks that are streamlined to make fuel last longer. Motor carriers connect nations, fuel economies, and bring the world closer. But their greatest cargo is responsibility. Safety ensures that every load arrives, every driver returns home, and every journey strengthens the future. In the end, safety drives progress. And progress is our future. Together, we keep the world moving. In the end and overall, it is everybody's duty to keep our roadways safe. From reporting unsafe driving habits to being watchful as you're on the road driving with truck drivers every day, we must pay attention to the world around us and ensure that we are doing our part. If you see something, say something. You never know, it just may save a life, even your own. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Sources: Vehicle Technology and ADAS Manufacturer Reports, Tesla Semi, Volvo Trucks, Daimler Trucks America, National Safety and Highway Administration. Fleet Management and Logistics. U.S. Federal Motor Carrier Administration. Driver Focused Tech. American Trucking Association, ARTA.